Yo guys, I'm back again. I welcome each one of you to my YouTube channel. Again, I'm apologizing for a very long time I've not posted. Somebody who sent me, somebody posted in the comment section about me not posting and was begging that I should keep posting, that these things help in. So I apologize. It's been work and at the same time, I've not really seen a clear set of that's definitely not true. I actually did a recorded video of one of my trees last week, Gbpjpy, but then I found out that after I finished the video, if I already uploaded, I noticed there was no sound in the video. So this stress, I just stopped for that particular day. So today I'm back to give you a trade breakdown of this trade you are seeing on my screen, Gbpjpy, currently running at a 1 ratio 3.86. This trade was posted. Oh, I didn't call this on my Telegram channel because I saw the entry as early as 6 a.m. Yeah, when the second 4 hour candle for the day closed. That was when I got the entry. So I didn't have time to call. I was even still in my bed and I just executed, set my entry, set my limit, and that was it. So I posted it. So you can see this is my execution, and this was the setup, and this is the what's it called, the progress image of the setup. So I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of how I took this trade. It's very easy and very straightforward. Okay. If you are just joining me for the first time, this is Samuel, and I'm a forex trader, an analyst, and also an educator. Majorly, I trade the structured liquidity key level strategy (SLK) as taught by Fortman and Kelvin King. So I learned from both of them. So I'm going to be teaching you how I got this trade breakdown. So I can just clear my screen and then let's go over it again. Trust me, it is actually very simple. It's actually very simple. I'm open to mentorship. If currently my channel, I asked a lot of people what their challenges are trading wise, and some of them commented that it is strategy problem, and I told them to send me a DM, and I'm offering them or doing a free boot camp for them. This boot camp is not general, it's just for those who messaged me. I think I already added them to a group, and I'm not collecting any money from them. I'm not collecting a single dime from them. I'm going to be teaching them the complete structure of my strategy, the SLK strategy. And trust me, when I say I'm teaching them a complete structure, I'm teaching them everything I know. It's not left for them to implement and practice more on it and get more experience in respect to the strategy. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my part. I hope you do their part also. So if you are watching this video and also want to join, I hope you will watch this video and join when the class is still on, not when I'm done with the class. But if you expect it, just let me know. If you got it from this video, just let me know. I will look for a way to help you out. Alright, so let's go over this trade. It's always good to start analysis from the weekly time frame. Besides, the month just started, so let's look what is happening on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we noticed we had a breakout to the upside here, and last month's candle reacted at this breakout zone. So what did that reaction give to us on weekly time frame? This is how we follow it. Is super easy. This is how we follow it. And then we notice that on the weekly time frame, it also gave us a breakout to the upside, signaling the continuation of what we have on the monthly. So last week candle rejected this breakout level, so weekly rejected weekly. What are we expecting to see on daily? A breakout also. And here we have the breakout. Look at your line chart. We have this breakout here after that weekly candle rejected and closed. So you can see we have the breakout here, the breakout here. So today's trade was so easy for me. Yesterday, see what happened? This candle closed like this yesterday. Previous daily low was swept, you can see it, and the high was still standing as at this morning before price got in. This high was still standing. So this is my major. If you are taking this should be your major target. Obviously, you can extend it to this one, but first your TP1 should be around this area. So when I got this on the daily time frame, on 4 hours time frame, I'm expecting to see a breakout to the upside, simple as that. And I got it here. Look at your line chart. We had multiple breakouts to the upside. Multiple breakouts to the upside. So most of the time, I will have taken this trade directly because three time frames align. So it's good to take it. I can easily take it directly from the 4 hours time frame. But I don't like this stop loss. It was too big. Can you imagine 39 pips stop loss? So to my target is around 1 ratio 1.57, and that's just too small. So I did not execute this trade on 4 hours. I waited for confirmation. And let me tell you how the confirmation entry works. Confirmation entry works more like you are forming your bias. So it's just like saying that the bias will start to be formed. What's it called? You start forming the bias on the 4 hours time frame, and that's basically what I waited for. So I waited for a candle rejection, and what do you have here? Previous low on the 4 hours swept here, and then I just moved down to the 2 hours, not 1 hour time frame, and then I saw a breakout to the upside. This is the breakout to the upside here. That's what I got. This breakout to the upside. That was just what I saw this morning when I was on my bed, and I just entered at the QMRO level. Shaking, that was not stressful at all at all. Enter at the QMRO level. 17, I think I used 17 pips stop loss. That's what I used. And then my first target is where this line is. That's a 1 ratio 3.69. If I ever had shifted my stop loss, normally my supposed to also around this area, but no, I like covering the entire high. That's 15 pips. You can see first is 1 ratio 4, and then this overall high is 1 ratio 5. Now even if this is really trade you took this week on a $10,000 profit account, you risk 1%, that's 5%, that's $500. You've made your money. So you can see how simple it is. All these things just requires is patience. You can imagine from the beginning of the week, I didn't really see any trade setup on this pair. Trust me, I didn't really catch any trade setup on this pair. From Monday to this thing, I didn't catch any pair. All of these things formed from Monday to yesterday. It was yesterday I now saw an opportunity, and that's what I executed this morning because I already saw the breakout as at yesterday night, and I was waiting for 4 hours confirmation, and that's what I got, and that's how this trade was executed. So this is the simple strategy called SLK strategy. Like I said, if you want to be a member of my team, you can do what to call me or contact me on my Telegram channel. I'm going to add my Telegram link to this video. Do what to get in touch with me, and I'll be willing to help you in your trading journey. Trust me, trading is not easy. Technical analysis is not easy, but God is helping us, and He will keep helping us. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you did. Thank you very much. Please do what to subscribe, share with your friends and your loved ones. I'll be back with more trade breakdowns. Thank you.